Tala kafinti, tala shal kafinti. Kaba bafili, young nama, kaba cheki, kaba cheki. La shal kafili, azon nama, kaba sunchi, nyan sunisaf. Mbwaranan kalele fei. Ay, dominin be kambe. Ah. Fila pam karapadin tama. Bayan shokama. Nakana ngayon tilima ngani. Womana kazanga chang katinang pedicure. Kazanga chang katinang Jerry. Kazanga chang katinang medicure dominyin. Love anthem mamono. Number 1 yuli, ya number B karipuli. The koto pul number 1 yuli, kaula, kabyala kanzabara yuli, netakana yang sanga katekule, kabayala manason sanga kiyukule, baby so yere nyagule. Manambo alakasa nyali tama sumi paguli. Dini chikari malang balashiri abu wumunyama su yere nyaguli. Manambo alakasa nyali. Tama sumi paguli. Dini chikari malang alashiri nyama nyini kan yarangu abu wumuyo. Kababa fili yang nama kaba cheki. Alright, memea, leya saya. Alright, ay. Kambe, abawum. Okay. Kama kisa, baby, atabada yara ya nambung bana, biakam kabedal charang bana. Ni kasoyen yala nambung bana, dus okaman boranen dang yala, dan shala kana kan yentu makala, nambono nenya fele kan sang jala, salama liga kan yenda ay katino Jerry. Diri nyara mbapun chumi ndiye mpoma ndiye yana yampumba no bumpialle. Dawani tu minu porpa ku balankane la ku pora. Diri ya la karzama la kanimpu kama kabana kamania. This particular song is the number 1 banger in town as we're talking about now. Yes, it is the wedding anthem, of course. Love anthem mambalamaya. Karanun kataraka zangle introduction into status ng program ma. And introduction ma Simpson reta alama nam kamania. Te dawsala chetinichi na won gafara tenda ya na radaj na won zong te yefia pala. Din ka to kop mumrucho maya. This program ma zungo it is dedicated to the number 1 them. Yesaya. Yeah. Neya saya meme ya okay nuku en nang shamnyala ya yeto awala be ngalse de puni nku yen chang mata pilpil guma kamanten da ba alkawle ma kan shamya ti yayen pu muka pa jabara na kan kudurona na tatamlana tehnin wallan mun chamina san hanye fiya titi na won gafara ka talamna na tubosin yanya tin to pal alkawle shaltin bama man punya rayu so kapibur puni kasu pang man punu karano so tu haban shaaw haltan man bannan da enfant la pinan ma san hagaba daya ka ta pang man punu karanan ma ya yes mun nagang jabaru kudurana na tatamlan ma o kadare ya punu karanan ma ya ka talabsir pawo nagang sabun jaman zang da turu dama da sumsum kan mono ya. All right, ni mana mangu na ko chele misale kay ate ga no yulmo no Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Fez shi tobina nyasi yanka blichin bidub ga bisang karaso goble bambarle ne twarle annab no hungar muari ya pupa native zo ka so palga kar mala nyela ko nyoro togole ya te ma ka bang na dem balama abiya ayanga apon zuksum native zo biru ngoma abanya alama no kamno chan ma kashira nabi sufa shifa biya biya karpo ne ni durgo zo tagobla alquran na kun fa yakunu no zazo ka tagob kafana na kanala tabarakallah dene ma ka ma ya dinin ya NTV North Television in bala ma ya dinin ya TV te social din yar aballe jande aba chirum aba brum aba gaba kayi bal saka hay bala ya aba gabti ma vale na gan kudura na tatamla na mina zan ha katariya katinye yamangle ka satele kamil ka dole tala nyala na adin amfani den chaka gbab station ngoma ka gbab program mo mami program ma yule mo den chana sen mi se bolle la trend ni aka al kawle ma nyetel le nyanya yeto adin be biya go puna kamal amfani ka tala tanati ya targa ka gbab gansuma ka ce biyar ya kamar sun program mo ma din yayen nan sham amini yeto aya nan ya pam over the weekend ma de malbuka tanati ya gutere pune in pal al kawle shelton zanti program mo ma kara yule mo den chana ka bangdin da chan over the weekend ma kana ti chaka la bangdin yin chan tonumi na on zanti nye via paga asabra shelton ku kana di partial appearance man punta signal command what we're going to be doing tonight on the show ma yesaya the band introduction of the song sheltons and the start program aya to ama program ma bambele bela kantan kanan amfana na arziki kada kanna ma bananye banama menazen food spices lala nyale kalizi tomato mix ente pa Mr. Red Mutus na Institute of African Art and Technology bukpang mang na arziki ka program ma kada kanna ma ya before kanna detail kanna yalatin yezang interview shel zang tana na borman nan ko some 2-3 headline stories donc kuno yayi kamata ne to zongle kana lavna tan interview ma okay number 1 understand ma nyala dene Makhadi wins North Got Talent okay ne ya saya meme ya Makhadi mun yi yel zolnala zabzo bitab go ngun rapper karakati ma na won gafara al juma dalma ka North Got Talent NGT grand finale ma danan ya Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium ka final ma danan antuti ne la kawle ma di nyala den be NTV zo ka program ma every Saturday hal ka final ma ti nan ma ya but of course la particular grand final ngoma danan la Friday ma ka man pun yala ma and the ultimate winner ngunda di pelanpa ngunda di luruma ngun nyi Makhadi rapper so be competition ma pun ka bulu Makhadi ko yi zabzuna yel zol yung dundon ko yina I mean one of the guys around Ataka camp mambala Ataka music camp mambala okay ngun da nyi ngun la particular luruma ya and unfortunately okay chaka na chilla den ngoma ka ku yala den da chan sham I mean the program den da kun no sham tan no sham zan ha nta from the beginning ma tiza how many Dranyela vote. Bramala 60% of public votes, catchy 40% of judges. Program no ko start even auditioning night ma be on the weekly audition night ma nta hala yi kunya la kabasa the program ma chana halaka final ma because program ma nyala the live audience kama live judges so lalaka program ma initiative ma kal the builder upon ya so lala particular finals ma agba it was the same way they did it the Ranyala public vote of 60% and then the judges ma na vote of 40% and the outcome of votes ma za 100 nagi program ma Daniela about 5 or 4 rounds in balama banana first second third ma at the end of the round ma den da kuno sham time man kan ma so ko impeccable la street ya Makhadi ntepa tamale top dancers ntepa Brand Empire ne Fidos banadani final four ma so listen Makhadi tamale top dancers ne Brand Empire ne Fidos banadani final four banchan finals man ranan 1 Makhadi Tamale top dancers, the Brand Empire, the Fidos, the baddest rapper. Banada final ma. And look when break it down Takala understand the Shamia. Then that will qualify into the final ma Daniela, but performance of the night from the judges score ma and Tepala particular vote sheet in Yerma. And on the score sheet ma okay, Makhadi Daniela 69,000 plus votes. 69,000. Tamale top dancers kabanye 64,000 votes. Ka Brand Empire kabanye 24,000 votes and then Fidos the baddest rapper kunye 23 votes. The bande su kambanza harabi puno Raga Boy, Udama, SBU Free Education Dancers, Shine Boy, Fuziwan, Sahata ya Filimina and Tapa Waisham na Amazing Kiss bezan hadanya la ban performer. Hal mmanga then da any opinions of the night ma Udama mean SBU. They were outstanding that particular night ma especially Udama. Who second be third performance ma Uda Yusila Balazaku Simpa beat kananta rapper ka dress kaman irin Gawana. I mean, it was lovely. And SBU ba banda taba taxel never perform last night ma. It was about who is a mother, ma, and he did it like a class children who's not really on ben shabambo ma be nivoso mazanta abiagopone. I mean, it was lovely. So SBU performance and Tapa Udama performance, it was crazy to me. They were the best of the night. But voting ma in judgment man that kana at the end of it ma results man that can shamla nyala Makhadi mun yi yel zolna ngunda first. So first winner ma ambalama ngunda ko luru ma nyala Makhadi banda di second Daniela tamali top dances bananda kana second ya so first runner up ma balama tamali top dances and then Brand Empire ndadi third balama Firdaus the baddest rapper woni da yenye for but unfortunately final four man la kana ma Firdaus muna banda bol banana kana tete final performance ura pun yila venue ma pun de man la kamate ura joa yimi on don fourth man bala be judgment man the I don't know what really happened but Firdaus that yimi kabala journey last four ma ka performance so that's just by the 8th man. Donc kunye shambala Makhadi nda winia ka tamale top dancers ka di second ka Brand Empire ka di third Firdaus nda do fourth but unfortunately he was disqualified because he was nowhere to be found oral haka venue ma kada endelela. Okay, so congratulations to you Makhadi straight outer yele zole zabzo yin don punu ko yina ya ye zabzo na ma poti ni loro ku pale yon competition puni lela nyele ka donti gbara pundi irin wula chop the mic nwa hana ma de ma donti gbara dilemi and okay the same from Attacker rap camp man bala ka Makhadi wakana. I mean, it proves that Attacker is really a legend. I mean, he's really a great rapper. And sometimes we need to appreciate the fact that he has also computed in a way, maybe not just filling up stadiums, being on the show, in a way, we're very successful in rap music, because of Bishop rap, yeah, so congratulations to the Attacker camp there. But unfortunately, yitamal kun zabzo Allah har dalma balama de mala luru ma daniela gamu but o yitwal nda san luru pahna ka bacena no yitwal luru ma ndalu but Makhadi ngun di luru palle shel ngo nta de ndablu yitwal ma luru ma ndalu ene halde mala nirbo pam da nyi dansi hal ka na biya sheptene ka batoro bab Makhadi en umama nda wi ni luru shel ma nguna they are all in good condition 3000 o ka tra yaran chu bangar swel ma zoma to agbanle kanala ma ali rasul ma zo agba ebo ka gulnya ma to ba po. All right. Anyway, we just leave that one, man. We will try and see it in the details of that particular event, man. Okay, what happened again over the weekend, man? Fancy Gadam wins in Accra. Yes, sire. The Bukum Boxing Arena history. The history of 2021. Yes, sire. Me. Fancy Gadam Ahmed Mujahid Bello, ya. The Bankpamba Yan Mumpuluhra Numuruba. Warama Dagba Al Kaulin 25th. Unyalangu Bukum Boxing Arena. And particular show Madame Dabiam. Because warata ban leader Ghana music and anang the show la din dalmaya nang ban tuene karpune tambala 3 big artists in Ghana. Number 1 manyala ngone sa kodie, number 2 manyala Shatta Wale ngum parata manye fans gadam to borbe ti jilala nyal nang ban tuene karpune the whole Ghana. The 3 biggest artists in Ghana nyala treasure ne bola nguma kalala warata ngoma ya Kabra Malshu la Adab Selema 25th man bala na wun ka dariya puno be DTV fans gadam nyala wun chang ti chaka Bukum Boxing Arena kara pal halet lan ka level ya la jibsu mi dimbe puno ma nyala ya the rate ma da nyala 50 Ghana cedi 50 Ghana cedi ka Bukum Boxing Arena kar tempel kamandem pal shama dire nye 10 Ghana cedi kama Shatta Wale ndana idan wula Freedom Rave languna yeto akaradana ya nyete ni mana karshe net na shu ma ka galtan panse po ndirba hey den da ban ya 50 Ghana cedi ka Bukum Boxing Arena kar tempel ya okay this particular show ma the mamman review maybe we wait and see if fans in Kana around then we'll do an interview ka yell about show ma mamman den changshan but from the visuals from the videos ma mamman understand come on, that was a successful of a show, very historic, very crazy, especially with Lela number Sheldon Dabiri Purmaya. Of course, but show man yanga in the Freedom Rave no Shatta Wale no show ma yet to Sheldon da ku yina ta place de nyala Shatta Wale gbara no show onda no show shall Accra Sports Stadium ma la Freedom Rave concert ma show man yanga ko le chang to zufanse gadan photo nchang to poster tana ba understand Shatta Wale no borban shada puni chakanyanya because show man na me ya Shatta Wale chang to post a picture shell. On post a picture shell ma, on Facebook ma. On another stone that the builders has refused would be the corner one day. La ko posti. Kazang o mamang la concert shell on non Freedom Rave ma picture. Kale chang te po fans gadam danan irin double rave mbalama o mini sa ko de na non show shell la. Hal ana ku pi Facebook fans gadam o official pages ma. Den inye o cover on Facebook. Ka warma le kopla picture ma ya ingredient de min o show ma picture ma la le imposter le o was o Shatta Wale to akan yarama to tena ba mi ami Shatta Wale bormo no yel tenele la show ma o show picture mbala be o bormo no yel kaman like mumin fans gadam be show man la taba tena ba mi it could be that o bormo no yel ne kaman like o min fans gadam show di ka Ghana ka greedy la foot because obi spell it out karmela kama o show pictures mbala 2 pictures me nyele so let's give him benefit of the doubt born and certain kaman maybe Shatawale Zula fancy gadam picture no zang de credit on his wall never nyarle la agbaebo because o greedy la pictures ma karanye tu ka one base osaka one bitanga and you can see the difference Antonio difference ma do nirba milla kam nirba yarma kaman o Zula picture ma katana ko lere netinya do comments ma ne change ma ka warma chang to pull it down to ni ma ne karamal nguma kama no do ma warma de born no suit picture ma that's why can yara no always that yeah listen this North had something that we should be proud of and lela benma ni fancy gadam trust me. Stop arguing about it. Tite kana yongo kat 0 down to fancy gadam 69 min ngunwa o tinto da taba. But when we are representing Ghana and we need someone to represent us on that bigger platform, we can't look elsewhere apart from one fancy gadamoma. Marazoka ya mana nyuzan tetama. No, we can't. So let's understand it. Tite nyama machata wale mama chanto ko fancy gadam picture. I don't compare limit to Osho. Be in Zulma, it is a plus to moon fancy Gadam northern region. Yes, that's what we're talking about. Teacher Lelabademas and Nekakur in the fancy Gadam Canada will run into it in Yanya Din Changshamia. And again, Miss Sankara grand finale, Magbanella Dunkana, now something if you park Ali Jumadale, Yasaya, Mampunyala, Miss Sankara, Mamupunyala, Manada Titam Akalea, last week Maza Hampunyala to Abadan when I'm going to tell him a contingent brickman can make a video ta. Kabanya di yen ya but nte man final man yala ala juma dale yen di community center kare yen ya mampun yala yidal dalma we all coming to support that particular program ya 10 Ghana city konku kayen you don't wanna Allah habian kunyale just because they want everybody to come to na kanata yen ya bipon ngoma ben yen wo vielem sham ben yen wo kalesham ben yen wo patal sham karapala irin slay yibo karapala irin wala kama irin pa karakunyala irin ngungu jimu yihro zin le ko yen liabgam ma ben shaoji oji ben shao kumi no ne bi pontal de garla ya. All right, let me take you to Nyanya Banchan final maya adamunyala ngun qualify to the final na baraka ntapa hawa lela nyala ka Khadija ntapa asma'u na momi ban un representer na on zantin yefia paga al juma adale class media ban bi fukum supunu kala programme ma ka da kan maya di pa sheltin di talang nin bi particular event shel banda nan alami shel den garma kada danye iron traditional performance night ma bala maya once again na on zantin yefia paga al juma adale 8 p.m. the community center ka grand finale ma kada yen nan ya pang ma man ka to bien ten Ghana city konko kayen you miss nanon okay miss nanon ba den yele den Canada nan over the weekend man balama but that one man na kun suhiam ka teacher maybe by Saturday when I come back on the show ma can review lele den ngoma ngunta ya and of course teacher lele den ma gbaselebo all right nko ntile table nyele kan born ntege ngoma una special invite nyele ya tam manda mele ya balama ka always ne kana program kan tam da zo wana anga faramba tam den nye Zulu da mele ya Zulu the whole Zulu mati yes a mufta da amle ma mbala na on zantinye via paga on the 2nd den delma ka amle ma yen nan ya so dinin ka na banya invite to ko invite ram na akpan ma man ka ta kana ka amle ma nan ya ti invanjin bala ma Zulu West Hamdiya na on ga farate Zulu yang ma biela irin chanyanya chikanyele opposite Moonlight ya yikunan ka chen la ma sha first run about ma ka ngalga left Moonlight Hotel ma big guest house ma don't could face it shelma ni ma na ka Zulu yang ma bi ni ma na ka titiembe ya te pa ma mi nyala ngombe world da yel house and zongo mbelama waka so ne yang ma ya aku srga na chen la fans ganam yanga anu dirgo so poi kana pa fans ganam ne yanga banjira ma no ku face shel puluma ni ma na Hamdi ya ba yang ma ya so na santin ye via paga Allah harshal den ko kanango 2nd January mbelama ya once again congratulations to you Zulu Mati team Vanjima Allah ji mutal representative team ma ya na won gafara tetem Vanji kana ni ma ne Vanji hatu alasan minu nyanga DJ Carlos so now that you via paga then that we coming to support that particular wedding what and damle mbuno hala million won abakana million won zo mama damle de tekana mpaya la kan ku borna yala Zulu damle abakana le zo to abor agun damle je nyikam la Zulu dirma de baya te paya agun damle je nyinku kam la Zulu dirma ka te fa at kana to puma Kuzampu makanyadi yen changsham. All right, once again, congratulations to you. Tim Tony Barangela won Amalia Alahar Delema, a whole lot of Amalianama, I mean, Amalianama Yaya, Tim Tony Amaliama Daniela Denkanatu, Lelanelaka Erenula, a Bill Gates Bad Amalia Daniela Denkanatu. Hey, Nayan Magara Kana Johanna Amalia, maybe Ninja details my later, Katapupu Bankam Hadan Katarka Pasula Amaliana Mumaya. And of course, Mampuyala Yesumo program, signals Ben Kaman Erenula, min number one Mama Mampohaya Yutaba and Tepa manager, Ken Mbalamaya. We're talking about now via Page Asabredale, the historic, the Lions King album, the concert market here now, Radaj Lodge and Conference Center, Israhimula Yalamun Labnaya, and Topama manager because they madam Kupama, Katinya, Shielding and Malay venue, mean tickets, mean t-shirts. I know very well that I never represent one t-shirt, you will like it. For that matter, the Simpson Agbanye Shelter, the Simpson advanced tickets, Wula Cup. Preparations, Mama Mansanjuma. That's briefly what we are talking about. This is Rahimu Minkin Yalabayan Chana. Then we'll just pick it from there. The Chankantanga, the Chankana Kubama, Menazin Food Spices, Lizzie Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Art and Technology. Chan de Talamoka Labna Mintaganga. It's Rahimu Nekin. We're talking about the Lions King album, Radaj Lodge and Conference Center. Asabre Dale.
Oh, yeah.
Jargumila zo ojibjane nyaasi wumbe tukuto yel dagbana nam yetua ka bubana nyaasi lu dama wonan pili yene nyala mu yenzan na nyaasi wumbe tarihi zantiya den tiche katamala ya nazo on the 31st December den dare ndan cheka ibang den cheka bonde tinawo ya na foi ka hawa sa ko jasheba mbori songsim ni voting code mine star 920 star 4 star 1637 hash.
Pele nam de follow ko nam yuale. Basa won yo karamba ndinde on lamna to fo karamba ndinde. Jama am ja biyar gon le barmane le bulare. Dan ka bazan bal and dan sole. Na so won to e ko yer na nam and dan sole on the 31st December. Ndanya won yezan utare hizan tenya. Baraka is my name and I urge you all to vote for me. The short code is star 920 star 4 star 1636 hash.
Switchranon Sanzamba, Kasan Yugutuma. Tizana Bira Kubanzo. Nagarwa Tumanincha Butika Asansiri. Natuango History Kanda Zanziga on 31st December. Community Center Kadzama Dai Kansuria New Votuma Katizanjima Kuna Zuafon. Code Mani star 920 star 4 star 1642 hash.
Isman ta Arabia. Duniyan India. Kai na zanji na nindi simchi na wannan yana. Inin shili 31st December nyara wiyan zan utare hitin. Shili biya community center kan ai kana unzan te yevia pa 31st December. Mbara isonsam ni votem. Code man yara star 920 star 4 star 1635 hash. For the
hello lovely viewers, on the 31st of December 2021, which is the grand finale of the Miss Sankara 2021, I'll be giving you a live performance of one of our late greatest king, which is the person of Naluro. Some people na yile tenda mpile ko pagia wontu mala Naluro Daniela wontu mapam katakuto tamoyela ndanzam Naluro no tuntun shan kadagban kuto tamoyela and before that I need you all to vote for me, and the short code is star 920 star 4 star 1638 as for me to bring the crown.
As o ma je ko zikaya na so won say na kwa onye na dimane won say na kwa so ka tete da fa no tarihi kan da yanzan ya on the 31st December night na kwa no won me tingale ninti ya 31st December. Hadija Solo is my
Experience Experience, they say, is bigger than certificate. You have tried the rest. Now work with the best. Carlos Entertainment, the only event company in Northern GH. Take it or leave it. We are the pay sectors. Decor, buffet, sound system, canopies and chairs, float, activation, market storm, you name it. Work with Carlos Entertainment and you will never regret it because they are the event masters in town. Best MCs for your occasion. Brandon, consultancy for your colorful event. Contact Carlos Entertainment inside Tishugu or better still call them on 03-720-94363 or 0244-446487. Aiborna event mel Jilima Kamal Darzaka organize Yelenga. She Amin Carlos Entertainment Poha in Yotaba. Amelia Nyele, Langu Kamin Yele, Advert Nyele. Ninde Borna Beshakam to Kwani Problem Nebu. Madagbambe Yele. Naizang Talajri Jo. Abla Wuro Tank Pandai. Chaka Carlos Entertainment organizer program ta. Amelia Nyele be Dabdlugu. Insha Allah. Karanang ni Problem Nebu. Kose Kaborna rent. Canopies in Nyele. Deco Kaborna. Buffet Nyele be. MC Kabora. Jingle production Kabora. Float Kabor be market storm. Ntepa activation. Ninde Kluborna program Kulfjela. Zanglenang Carlos Entertainment Nuni. Katanang Leta nim Problem Nebu. Tonyam Lajipsi. Hal Aina Kalagre. Triyazang Talagre nang Beshakam na. Katamina na yitwase. Kanazang song te katavai. Carlos Entertainment Bela Tishugu. MTN Nyanga. Ninde Klupago post office Malgan Lema. Sirgam Kacha Letishoma. Carlos Entertainment Nyala Bam Denemani. Polemba Tangal Mingozo. 0244-446487. Beka Bolbo office line. 03-720-9.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Epsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Epsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if you people want to buy moto, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajeviela Konzashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ate Yima Karapara, Yingba Karagarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalia Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Fiapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Kuzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bumper Zuyan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Quand on camion de Absonic Motonum Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Araha Pierre, Guzul Dinanye Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Zoya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanye Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, Then Michel Welgirala, Campernum Moboir Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Jani, Aloba Denyo Combien la, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Service Letra Welle, Dominic Paton Mangabiani, Carize and Tekala Patul Cam, Kazon Galenyele, Chirata Susuna Kamotongo Email Mosugo, Anto Lapsana Katata, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise San Antuna Chang, and Tegul Piga Absonic Moto Kamambora, Kabanondon to Kamatamata, Dome Absonic Tomados or Carlama, Basatela Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise, Nemoquara Absonic Motonomo, and Ternir Kamdakbang Waza, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje San Makaicha, Alanya Benelli Motos, the Bakul Pipe Showroom, Jump to Will Pargam, Blamal RFT 150 Mapuka, NNT 150, NNT 150 Sports, Caraviel Fini, Todenka Giabara, Luciano Babiane, Passa Camboirle, TRK 251, Dama Moto Balbo Cam, Bale Absonic Motonomo, Ne Benali Motonomoza, Mr. Red Shop Money, Mr. Red Shop Mabiela Waterworks, Ayi Trampolo Sergerna, and Yagana Water Regional Laboratory, Katuru Moto Kwasoma, to Mr. Red Shituamambala, Ami Tumpunbe Waterworks Sergerna, Mr. Red Shituamam, feel free Bama Palataba, Wama Mr. Red Shituama Yala, one number Yala 0243 137223, 020 6136 730.
Só pensei o bicho em conheda, só pensei o bicho em conheda, só pensei o dolo finhe naisa, só pensei o agu com conheda, só pensei o clube de filia, só pensei o mandi de filia, Ukostome sindidi filia Endie minaze
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomo
Neya saya mie ya waruma ya la labna kakuba na neya saya tabarakallah talahi ne puka papa manna kuno ya dazanti NTV ngoma. And of course Medicine Food Spices Lizzy Tomato Mix and pa Mr. Red Motors ne Institute of African Art and Technology ya saya bukpang man arziki ka program ma ka kanama kamande punya la before kan nande break maya. Yes, over the weekend ma Allah redal ma tranya latin ng amliya and amliya ma na nga fara pamba da kana te support pa. Yes, and of course the malbukata na te puka pa pam deni bawa Muhammad. Yes, na ya bleaching mbalama kurali nung o amliya ma yung nyuhani kula nyuhani area ma ka amliya ma da nang. And yes, pamba da kana pam tishin kalala amliya ma karelalu kareli malbukata na te puka pa pam. Alhaji Kamal of Kamal Legacy mbalama na won ga fara o daniel ngun shin na chimbu ma ka kana ntitap son ka amliya ma ka nang fi yelanga lala nyala ka Alhaji Imuru Bawa na won ga fara o gbara nyala ngun kana kada da nang bukata kanan amfana pam ntapa didi Habib na won ga fara besa hanyala banda support amliya ma kada da chang fi yelanga. And of course amma mangmini ne ye to akuto ye no yongo ka warla ma kada punia ngun ye the originator Alhaji Mutala of Yendi Blood mbalama Pure Red. Of course halala hajini bislimin tanga ka yendi mbal bukata sheli yongo na nga fara warma na po chartered flight pa na tanang ya. Yes, mara zo za sele yilmi yab yongo no ku go de kana yongo karno no jam yongo da ba na ya. Nena habi yongo wa. Yes, dwar tambara jara un karano yitella na azema na balama ne zige oraye bane no kul ka bala Allah radalma amlewo ka azema na kana karshe the next Monday no mala dwa ka boss man wo yuro ya don wa diamia nsa ni bi atan wo kabri sohe ki kule ku jan teno ke no ka problem ala jimpe ngbaleta ko ne yama wo ya ni opu izba la ku rapuma izpe wo no ku di yo no ku ni jasa dana la ku no o ne mam yo no ma ler bala wisha so mi kara yo bo proof point de je kama de mala kama ire yo no ya one defeat ba. Yes, once again pamba banda kana tishin ka Muhammad bawa Muhammad amliya ma da nan Sunday ma nyuhanama Alhaji Kamal da nyala ngo kana Alhaji Kamal of Kamal Legacy mbalama ntapa Alhaji Muru Bawa ogbara nyala ngo kana didi nimza hada support me lala nyala ka Alhaji Mutala Yendi Blood Pure Red ma bazan hada kana ya bromino nyanga ma san ha lala ka bazan hada kana zubina senchimiro nyanga ma san ha bara nyala bun kana o indian tamma zubina senchira nyala ngo kana ntap son ka jima kana nan ve nyala nga banda butu kana pamba banda butu kana katumtumbuna na won front te poka paso kama za hanang bayindi ken na on chelten nang bayindi ya. All right, di pashal programa ni la na ya ha ni titi bu de baye kasan leta ya zo nguna officially programa mun producer programa ni Alhaji Mutala mamanga o we studio mo pula be o bana nang la freestyle bi la te ya. Okay, labna studio ma puni ya number 1 star na ma Israhimu nyala ngum biale ntepa kin ngum ban kunye production manager ma santel la particular event sheltem borna na won santel yefia pa aga assemble de la katanang ma the historic Radat katien na la particular programa ya. Rahimu alors on vient là ado asine ya nar yar patwa ne shirka ma ne shirka marawa number 1 ma yildin pulu ka yar patwa ma no ma pupu ma puno ka marjirwa nina ku borna nan shambor mena to warm up to ye to apam lembe la ken musan ba nyuna freestyle nam ka yana because tanda nan last interview ma freestyle nam ma because album ma manga I mean this time album ma na pe krisha ma na mo la jiba den ka tin ko first okay
Palabambu yela malu
okay
now gasuru no che
kanzoi
in my life I know one problem I know one problem I know one problem but the problem define me oh problem define me oh problem define me oh in my life
I know one problem
I know one problem
okay
yeah I know one problem
problem define me yo problem define me yo
problem define me yo Mama,
Womana.
Mama, oh mama,
Hey.
so me now want to my yummy now. Never let some lonely hickim, my baby mommy.
Yala yala money tuma. To the bayan summa.
Cause I want to feed you, feed papa, feed my brother, feed sister.
And again, I want to make family. La la la.
I'm a company in those ma, but the children.
Wayo.
They sign my ya, but the castle.
Wayo. But the party let me. Never you manamni.
Ami talibo kalekutum.
Yala yama talibo kalekutum. Kaba putanera.
Kaba putanera.
Biago, kamba biago, desanga biago, entuchem biago, biago, yila mala wumbu, kanzo,
in my life,
I know one problem, I know one problem,
I know one problem, but the problem they find me, yo.
Tu wawara amma, yalma muna
Wuma,
bahal barka,
I'm a person that will
fasma de yalla.
I'm a living life to survive me. I will not beef with
Nobody.
Miss Open in the competition. To push electric and bang and hit it
One by one, but
no time, let's come no time. I want to let's come no time. It's like we like Velako.
Obazabara, Innocent Obatabara, Yella Tiger,
that's all you buy. I can't have a carrot parley.
and tell Polly, the
They say if I not pay them, not pay. That if I don't come, there's no way them go play. So pray for me,
Mama. Okay, to the Saya, we are praying for you, yeah. Naza to your via pago, warm up cat and Nandama, na Asabra, na Kanat in your Laship Sheldon, no Radaj, Lodge Conference Center. You shall be able to don't want to be in Chaka Nangle. Titi and na program, cat dedicated as Alhaji Mutala, or favorite Mbala, that particular Alabama Puni. So Diti and Nage, Catazan Lanoya, but you never whom Yelakan Lamna Ken Sandama, you to Avabilusania, Ken, Kazon Gilbola. Alafi bien bo. Chendama de Garcia Pump. And I'm sure that the channel. All right. Pumpo tell him just assemble the shuma. Preparation as to venue ma confirm can na confirm venue ma no very ready for assemble delma.
It's a venue ma tiko yelde to. Halini now besum sanya shuma.
Okay.
Me shak kam non la set. Because ma mi roda chumni me shama like the pumaler mama on stage.
Okay.
Ama duty dun kaso kama ko chende nama. They decided me kama da te mama land decorated to own way.
Of course.
Yen chika no unique kachi bampung chante no ni mana. And kusma to plan hala kus more than 2000 ba. Yen chika ma VIP ma shak de kana.
Okay.
Kako kaba jizo sa kabaza to pa ko sajine.
Okay.
So when you venu mamuna everything is confirmed.
Very well.
مشاكل هل يلا كمان بنيا هل يلا بيعلن سنة program ما بقى أنت هتنتو نالك مش عارف ديكو كبروبلم.
Okay, very well, very well. So the uhura mana agba mele meshiriya still in nabia sana katinyanya. Nuku start a program am punyela 2-3 messages kaba what about advanced tickets to the so kan tamla particular one maya. Advanced tickets mara no ready tickets mapa yinabo.
أنت advanced tickets ما ودين بشاك كم no ready because هل تنتشر ما بقى تبقى because VIP ما almost 1000 penda.
Okay. VIP tickets. VIP tickets. No matter the VIP ma darga regular magba.
No, regular ma I don't think the dump 50 ba.
So what no do
so three great try no take see the flat ma dana so
because so come one
no today o já sanzana dishi.
Okay.
So VIP tickets ma ina din ka abora advanced tickets ma.
Okay.
The policy collection shell belly.
Okay.
And Carlos entertainment shell belly man. Kachi don basti sam gumane.
Okay.
So I mean ka 5 minutes ba shellam bele.
Okay, good one.
And ami kulong bora tin top 10 numbers. Dinde kunun kanya tamala wakabi.
Okay.
Ka dar 2 tickets or 3 or above.
Okay.
Tinyala muni check up zanga deliver tana for free.
Okay.
And so tino ne bol numbers ma din kan bor advance tickets ma. And that by be 3 be above. Kuncham ka zanga deliver tana free. Dinde ne kanya tamala within tamala kabi.
Okay.
Yincham ka deliver tana.
Okay, very well. How do you kunye tanshi? Maybe an zang tan
busu
karpago na ya kamanda yan ma caller mana, and I'm very sure that they will definitely come because to me subi na bala Allah dalma amle kura yelma ne kinzi mine is flex yelo di to so no to no ko bakana looking forward and yarma mama bola ticket ya so I ko borla halka bi kantanga number na party screen ma so you can pick that number ka call it I ambora ma momo yetwa ka lirma le chetunu no poi ka ticket ba paga na no busia ta pa ya pam chan labna Israhim Musa ka tinyanya I mean Apple no the show no ma like a first album and I can compare it to the response from direct because I'm a direct contact with the fans but approach to show mama I believe you come and didn't change shama didn't change yanga
like where can show mama the be my because
okay
I got to inform my village
okay gumana no ma
village so my me where can necessary to
du kana yina
so nchana ku bile te fon tiki chat na hanti Donbass city
okay
busham karana because to shama de na ka chant de shapo
aba okay
so tena de shato ncha so am satma la ba na 12 so karaya te forman no ko na ko dalma
aba
so na ko za ka pour te forman yer ma za na
okay gumana no ma bo to hood ma mbala ma bo pa charge ma
apart from the forman like fans ma ban ko be any other areas ma za when you ban to tickets ma karchan fe yanga
okay
ko pour la so comme ça France ma za na ba wala ka ma ba jif bon
ouais non yer ma ko
so go pour la France ma za na ba for that wonderful
okay oh very well hale okay before na la dem happen because I'm very sure that some of the guys my halbo call around as some tickets na and Ken was telling me that Bishop to Delepa yar ma bo
to logiquement to ya bambo no bo that tickets ma 10 be 15
okay
so go ba ka pila 20 be 40
yar ma aba
banko bon mama wa ko changa ka
o ko dele tickets ma pam
kama boss must still to come what's about can't go date tickets about 25 so
still agree
yes
ko good that 25
we go to Nike
okay
I was at the 40 ka donzi
de 50
ka donzi ba de 50
oi do ma pa ya okay oh all right that's very wonderful don't gonna to fire thanks so much Karen supporter Shamaya let's look at the album mama I mean the performance on social media because for me I mean this happens to be one of the biggest album Katamala in recent times especially that is coming to you but album mama trust me every song in the album is there at that standard shall I'm born a matured album is standard album every single song in the album is an album on its own this design that comes out not only album performance on social media
because I got legit years on that session with the Macarade 3 months
okay
the 3 months but streams man the punch on 500,000
okay 500,000 wow streams man okay that's crazy okay wow try drop a video man I mean self a video the ba come on singularly ako ye do koko the
video man den na mira ke hanka budi
aba
because ya mandazi meji la karchan YouTube trend
Lao, okay.
So now you could nye like biggest artist so you feature.
Okay.
You maybe going to YouTube trend. Na ça fait video
no kasafi
so ça fait donc ama mangila ko
so
de YouTube trend for ni
karpe YouTube trend
karaso ni Muhammad ma oh that's very wonderful I mean the video itself ma den la crazy video ma na crazy pam be man ken da tele la ba share video ma pour ka yarba understand le bi so be video ma pour ma ni Nigeria ki jona ken la manyanga biela ngo kan wa biela
ne katkozan ko
lawo karaso no video ma
oh so anko akuto
disons on a kala uba brand Garcia
mami
kachi yarwada ya bwana biende
mami nda fia chef so kabu believe nda kama video ma 10,000 card 100 million ba so apart from 100 million Catalan flight girl from all the way from Nigeria to Tamale here to shoot the video and yet me no fans ma zo kat no to one be feel proud ka appreciate kama the good work so if me no ma this is the right time ka ba to check at the bank kama that then no ma appreciate ya
of course
so we appreciation ma me kunya kama ula ka ina that tickets how kunya one ba the Saturday ma can't
no of course
can't support it Saturday ma ka show match en fin
okay
so the part dirmo
Then no kunya last ila kuma. Then no got lama invest no.
Of course, we are saying
it. Never did so. First mami yan kat was apanya benjuru madre. Yeah. So like the meaning no mama show mas kat nan wala ko yan ka blind ina ven yan ta
yeah, of course.
So that bantu enzata na waizo kana da ya don't tun no sha.
Okay.
Ma so kam mine so kam mine don velo but la arma ka yan na musha nan velo.
Yeah, la.
So she
last time I mean another interview I had the feeling I mean and it touched so many people. How should I call him at all? The man like 69 they don't kunyo. I mean he got so touched that ara yeli to akaman aji wahala pamila puni and this one ma the man lang ka ku borne kama fans ma banang ta because they believe that young yila ni simpa be young pam and everybody claim that they support a lot of good music and if you are supporting good music and Raheem is dropping an album, a full album Carmel good music, why would you not support? So so that year man come another year to ama as to anti wahala sham and the year to I mean problems my yaya and this time around you are coming back with an album and you expect everybody to support. La year to ama and that year my there are no like emotional. What I feel when come an industry ma ban feta.
No like ka industry ma impese man waya to could be young ka kumishaba.
Okay.
Like but when you yila TV so
okay
when you radio but like we are time media ma ka support media ma so
yeah
ba fans ma
okay yeah
to kuma la ndira kama papi ni jam
yeah
o ku miro yila ka
fans ma ku push la hale yeah it's true
this time ku no party blessure ka no reach ben pele
yeah
you understand so fans ma kanda yara because ba mi ne pilshan kan mi a story
yeah
ayabo so ban kanda yara ma because I got to really command up yara ma if kama video shot ma safi video la la anda to di ho
yeah
be mbana to za ntaba ma ban kana shot ma kan ro ba regime ba ban la ka sa nan video ma ne ma nya kafi
of course
so la ba ya ma za kan ndale yara ma e dimi palak ma management shell be shapulu be manager so be shapulu ko la arnan tan ni ho tan mamman no the number of them ka so da tigata ba da la ya so for that matter ti nan da ti ula ka ti nan number an so ko ta la Allah ka ta zan nan ban karle ka ta nan show kam mai niya da ne ma na ka ta support ka ta baza zan na ba iso be kan wanda son ta ne la shi ta tala ko baza nan so pele so ma yi pe be ta so ma yi kare wanda son da tala ba ne ba mi
no la
alan ka na ta bu so
wala abahru
la so la ba ya ma za and apart from that man Israel ni you know with ula kai mo first song from that time hanzo like unko to ku bosti kama like mbana ku di wahala shama de nyoro mo be ku di wahala bungo kan ibno ya kaza kaza ai de kan so they like ula kai they feel like anda uzan so like ya da kama de tunda fans ma inati tap song
kace yela nguna nyele atwe yela na pam yela ma yaya danu to garpi laram ku nyele ka dando ganda but I'm sure this time around fans mama understand the true meaning of good music so definitely people are going to support malala detable ma kama nirba understand an album why you've worked so much in it ya so tele nyanya now na something you via paga asabre dalma la historic particular dima din yen no shamia nere chama 1 minute ni de video ma be indi talan kalabana but of course before katana anti la talan ma mbor na sam number mo son ya di nan ka bor t-shirt shangatin yongoma t-shirt ngoma I mean the lion skin t-shirt mambala I borle an kanati anto call number ngoma before kana labna ti nan la health work before kana ya maybe health work ma di nan ka bor na participate in it ma you can represent in the t-shirt ka yina fenya be ha show mama man ka ku bor na kana de simsana yi t-shirt ma sab number mo son ya 055 038 9905 Pansolo, lapsab number 055 038 9905. Dinin ka bor t-shirt ngoma. Ya pulu ka ali kubi ka bor call lemle. Bi I call number ma be de ben peke ka arrange then ka nya a t-shirt. Dimin nin ka bor advance tickets kaman ken real lan sab number ngoya. Tickets mi number mbuno 055 63 752. Once again, 055-6362-752. Don Basset number Balamaya. Kona comes on Haka IB, yon, Zumang la Poinje Pelenga, Kona Kamka IB, Nanga Farakati and drop a call ma 0 seconds or in Yalang Pula Apia, Kasang a ticket star, Ima VIP Cabora, which is steady Ghana City, be regular Macabora, 20 Ghana City, number then Kakuborle, you call him Lela number, 2 numbers matter Pasrimazo, Don Basset, and the Pala number Shanabol Eliama, they will pick you up, Kadigala advanced case Woma, Vinyalanga, Kalele Dingoma. Pana tunkana tinyanya gate manity and yusham space and manity and jiasham wula kati and jille wula kati and jille desan hati labna ken nabian on explain zanttia Israhimu bana kunyala ngumbiane. We talk about health work mom and other related issue ya endela talan kalabna a very quick one ya chakanyanya maybe safi kati and me okay safi kati and maybe which one kati and me be my life okay what is over it is that the data and hotel labna Antega kabang in Israhimu and Tapakin to Puhayo Tamaya, and it's just about the day you to a Sheldon Yamazia Kanyabaya. Then you now wonder something if you paga Asabre. It is the Lion Kings album, Radad Lodge and Conference Center. Time Martinella 8 p.m. now Wungafara, Kabum Kumdamadam Punzoria. Yes, Rates Manuela 30 Ghana City VIP Mbalama, regular stand Mami Karanya 20 Ghana City, guest artist Magba. Okay, Chakanyanya maybe the Lamanaka Israhimu Kotiyel to guest artist Ma, catching Malumi with Shadana Adartaba. Detanen ka wisha bakana tishu mayo okay ne boha Israhimu nyanya bacha kante ga na sapashini ntepa Lord Faida Papi Sway Fancy Gadam ntepa chaka nyanya artists ma bangalisi banyen tapson Fadlan banyela ngumbian wisha banyela ngumbiani I mean so many artists it's Flexi ntepa Don Ziggy they are coming through from Naya Sankara Yele and of course Don Ziggy is coming through from Yelzel Zabzugum Balama and of course nkunyala some very quick one Kambwana Yele Makhadi of first performance after winning of Got Talent ma on kanala la particular program yes, it's flexible yelma. I'm fancy gadam na double yishel kabwale ni yendima. First time performance kare yen non particular. Yo, the first time performance yen yela asabre dalmaya. Umin Ahmed Mujahid belu fancy gadam performance na yasankara yila mazantaya. So pangma manka tekana mampu yela ritman yela teri Ghana City ni regular mami tuni Ghana City. Israhimu tela labna okay chakana lab kensani. Katinyanya about to float ma. Health work yen yela mo be float.
Float man was like team tra ku decide ma kama that. Then I plan school. Okay. And then chang next year, teaching not the next year show.
Very well.
And so took no one to decide yet no health work.
Okay.
So health work, mom, and then starting la Boniguman last stop.
Okay.
As 7 o'clock.
As 7 Dalma.
7 o'clock. As Washi. Kaso kama lam the Guman last stop.
Okay, very well.
And Katikon Pola Guman last stop mazang kwa town polo.
Okay.
The Queen check out and Yakaha Katamaya Lafi, yung Katichanta Tawsong.
Okay.
Okay,
very well. So Asabre Dalma Asabas 7 o'clock.
Yes, 7 o'clock.
Meeting point Manila Guman last stop. Yeah, okay. When comes on had to burn who take a party Kakana Nimani, Asabre Dale, just Saturday 1 Balama 7 a.m. Katazan meeting Nimania. Yes, in the year Ice Flick here to Ice Flick no be never supported with Kwam in Buyaraban Kana Nimani to make a show come on Chandamani and Chang Ice Flick.
No one, you know,
Igwe Bano, you know. Ma Igwe Ma or when I know about keep feature la. Okay. Okay, crew maza hane. She would dash in a mabo. Okay, okay. Now something if you paga asabre daria. I mean flute manual day no very great. Walking in your head walking in your come to no you to annual san solo. Maybe sound on queen biane kaluri chambi come to kin chambia be kazorbon kumda katichante nabania de bamutu kana som naune into war na chindir bana pan solo. Pansolo, Tankati to Queen Chania, Kasound in Bera, Katadam, the Tini Kachan Vera. All right, that's very great. Yeah, Chanlan Lavana, Israhimu Sana Katinyanya. Wishad. Wishad, Brian Nara, Nami Wishad, I'll be for Lataba. Or Daniel Pusha, I mean, you could I hear Mabi. Now soon come Kakaki to my foot.
Because I don't think about
Maya and Abzabra. I'm yet to get a put now.
And no, I'm Zabra. I'm a mommy like
anime.
Well, no soon come back at Zoma.
No celebrating you.
So, me to know about Mammy. I'm the wisdom.
Ken.
I knew no
my fresh guy. Okay.
The fresh bear and catch up. In Japan, so
I know that. We shall yeah, man. No, no, you promote a show. No, I show.
Mamma, you're promoting show. My lady, you're yet do to Sabre Yilan through. Kamukata Zakan, Nakan you. so ko to sabra gila tra ka de ndiran fa ka pa
ana mi sabila te wuce
mala ka mandale yuro ko huma kace ka
aya yari fashion o chatna na ti shuma kana pire ba ko to shuma na ba borne ti zale
problem ya ni ya shamba ya kama ajimi kama sabra gila tra kan yina kat pat carblo yina kan pat jamais pas ta campagne so mu passa ile nunca hablando
bien tu a uma manuda cara
lá vai nunca anda completamente o penda
but I mean
não tô perform 24 hours
so hello kan ba ko perform no ba yelma o yelma nunca no be show man o yelma no be show man all right wizi manuka yetu awono manuri ka yetu this time wa DJ yetu apam yes but let me see check nya double T no postele double T postele I mean he's talking about it
ya screenshot le send to
labo nyo postele
don't know ya no
bi o gbatere piana o trin piana show man do ko apie den ka double T kana ara okay tana ko lere wani tinya ya kace yawan nan na ya tare to mi sister na nan ma to zo da dabi amna mutan kana ni ma na karashi na to san police na ka ba to gunir bo bi no mo wona to show ma adri kala ya all right chakanti ga ka bang na wona something if you paga asabre dale we still talking about the Lion Skin album the number 1 is Wahimu la particular album ti en le mo Radad Lodge and Conference Center amma min album pour ne yil tout la bien kan kuto la kala waha intro of the song mama metinda ko premiere night shele on dinchana na unga fara la night ma ka history ma ka start nan ya intro din ma life ma ya kana ci walgal ka safi babiri pune ka karima biri pune hey yila na ma ya album ma pune and it's making wonders come and see that particular songs ma din yin performance na on something if you pagi asabre dal radachia. Yes, rate man yela 30 Ghana City VIP, ka regular ma kan 20 Ghana City, mampun yela ye guest artist ma banguna, sapashini yela ngo kana chu from Mampurugu, okay, Farlan, entepa Wishard, entepa Papi Sway, ne Lord Fighter, France Gundam the super ruler ma, na on gafara onyela ngo yembiri puni ama mami ne kwanku yero ko bi chantanga, fada lela ma, onyela ngo yembile la particular show ma puni. Yes, nirmena ku yar iren abari to ashanga de puni, but it is just simple. I'm sure that umpa nago show ma, o focus pe yela on Israel show ma. So Gadam National this is your truly own. Come through and support. And of course, 69 fans ma be aneme Israel him no ka problem. No zo no show ma ngona. No kana te support le ama zo be nawuni. Ikana you hami yo karapune. Pa ya solo. Radachi mbele ma sama de sama yob to pa. Imba ban shao. Tin your problem. So you hami yo karapune. Halde nguma arabian karma okay chakanchila security ma nguna nabi yalia Israel channel labana okay no kin san kan na yel labana katinya kin pumpungo I mean show ma everything is set and done then ki expected fans ma na ban kama biyan kanani maybe let's talk about the entry now jundol ma wula kada yen no wula kada yen arrange time then kada yen yogi and then stuff like that
mami jundol ma around 7 o'clock nza de pen yum
okay very well
mami rada chinyala inside manyala tu dindwe de bai
okay
then yola dambala ma ka fans ma do lima polipera
okay
and can support an artist mami dole other side my channel
very well
and mami di kama shemu na me gate ma wana kunyele
yeah
so article na inside ma to park ade aka be motorbikes ma di park la the other side ma
okay
an ku kana right hand side ma then poloka loro na mami di motor na tin park
okay
and mami sometimes rather show ni be shama like script ma de bunun tight
okay
so trending mo ma ti decide on tinyala police 10
okay
but so ma 5
okay
in all 15 mala
okay
so gen ma buntu ko mbela inside ma monitor be shakam and kat people is ma shawa ka ban paklo namne moto ma ka monitor le ko cheka show mat na ka so lo so moto be ka so nyedang
okay
so script ma ngantare is very tight in there ma
all right so guys shaban yi park moto ma I'm very sure that ban kana ta park so
no bun ko park ma ka numbers
okay
by police ma binyem be le monitor ba monitor pa la guys ma zo in so that's it
okay
so la police ma ko be in tamra ka police ma de ka soldiers ma be inside ma be shaka me ko na biya sma ko biya
so titano ko kon sabra ma
so
atelier no ka ti chat ba ka mi ba explain
so ka me be inside ma ko monitor be shaka de yin chan
okay yele ma artist ma yitu because help people ma no be shama from the beginning no amanda yele ma come we should just get like less than 10 artists man be album ma pu no 2 3 artist banka album ma pu ni yes tinyam nya artist ma den ka borna yele ba so that they would know very well that program ma start very early so that buku kwalen do young expected one take kana time man because Raheem he's already a performer and he has a whole lot of hit songs no performer than Dele and they are coming because of his Raheem. If really you want to support, that means you need to come early. Kadzam poika is Raheem time man and then come na yell artist ma be even by arrangement for ni time din ki taba guest artist ma never sa had kana come make sure ka jam early.
Okay, inta abanga on via bet. Mami termina mama pour mita sanzani Warszawa.
Of course.
Kama complaints nyama kama da bi kana ta show spoon ta chawa majil hal ka tam tchanka ban kana su zuma ka ban ban performance. So mwa to ku decide le artist ma za draft la letter.
Okay.
Letter ma the indicated time schedule to na best stage. So to ku zan le ka comme artist shaben kat support ma.
Okay.
Time ma to ni kama titi time ma jilma. Donc letter ma pour ta letter ma time schedule to na best stage ma ka kwa man ka de. Abin la tema.
So time sheldon to di garnagi.
Kana termina to my problems because I'm miss la time sheldon pima so bad number.
Dem ko to shift over.
Because artist magasia. Des oka tra ku disay no yeti zana artist shabon ko be album ma puni. Zan show ma puni. En katimira to kula disay artist kurama shaben.
Yeah.
Franchement, I need love performances. Nous devons stage moment on shows. So it decided to allow opportunity moment. Kabaka bella all artist ma. Kabaka na bella miss performance na ma. Bi karabwa to nya ka enjoy all songs ma. Because we have ila na bendu kutuchi.
No, never.
Like Abu Salik no ma kay no ma la bella ila no ma din kutu system.
So let confirm it ma. I mean inku invite Shababa nye senior artist ma, legends ma, bani min bani ma.
Abu Salik ben. Kaya ben.
Kaya.
Abada all artists ma bani betre ma ka
Abu Sadiq Kambala ma legend great performer over the weekend ma Bukum Boxing Arena ma he was historic that night ma okay Abada Gwanyala Bank Canada ada yelma hit makers show finish Mbala ma Antapa Kaya the truly hit makers in the northern region as far as hip life is concerned. Yes, Bitter Flesh Antapa Ame Roxen they are all coming to ma, so three legends ma Abu Sadiq Kaya Antapa Abada Kanachi current crop of artists Shabanyan performer that particular night ma dancers Banyala Bambia Northern best dancers in the Brand Empire Mbalama. They all coming to perform. The San Habanyalaban supporter. Raheem Kanlan Asan Katinya. Personally, I'm a performance because this is about you. Preparation, a performance because Bankara ni man Zaha, but Kanmana Batinya. Ula Shilka Malasan the performance polo.
Normal level. Tenenya artist.
Okay.
So mam show mama min la pam.
Okay.
Msuibi se baro zoto.
Do cha so ici.
Ngoro na performance shele. Kara kuto yi ka chenere mind.
Okay.
So ne drawing conceptuellement. Ncha de bonne easy.
Okay.
So antamala performance craft shele.
Okay.
In delivery.
Okay.
So after the delivery performance craft man can pa perform album.
Okay.
Mbona be check veyanga. Na la na kan min bati yi la.
Okay, so lala nya arrangement ma. Nku bona yel ma ba craft ma be design ma ni chasham no. Ku chel de mun ya. Yes, kamna asabre dalmati ni lahjib shel de yen no radal lo jan conference center na on santi ni via paga man pun yela ye 30 Ghana cedi ni VIP ma ka 20 Ghana cedi karanye regular ma ya. So den nga man zamba pang ma man ka kana ti ni lahjib nku yela ya kana ti ni lahjib ma. Make sure kan ma ka ba misa ya. Yes, di nan ka bor t-shirt, di nan ka bor t-shirt shangati yongo ma. It is very simple. Na pang ma man ka bol number mo. Den ye 055 08 9905 05503 89905. I bought t-shirts mama antu kole a sabre dal matin nang la head work samban ma me katin start last stop gumana last stop kari start ya pang mama ka te karate support kari chang venya nanga and again di nang ka bought advanced tickets antu ball 05563 62752 05563 62752 don basit number bala I be kona kamta malongo ka bought tickets ma on zang la rashitana hal di nyala abiela saful gubi abiela tolong bi abiela kumbumbi abiela na ya sankara yile ka bought advanced kisma den den nan kare yang gar 5 be 6 jana den zangle talen luru na won ga fara kara paga na ya so pan ye man kan kam zan habor advanced kisma ko nyale ate shaba yin perform ma man mata pun kala fanse gadam nyala ngom biane okay papi swe nyala ngom biane ente pa lord faida ente pa irin don zigi yela zabzo kana amine is flexi na ya sankara yile ente pa kenzi lala nyala ka fadlan ente pa wishal sapashin coming through from Mampurugu. I mean a whole lot of artists ma bangalisia pam nkutu bol za ha yulia ntama ku garma chakan labna chakan nya ken bon nirbu pam supporter song dia ami anto kuti roughly ban yu na ku kana amana kana to ti from beginning ma halle song there are so many people supporting and to ti bi akat ku bol ka appreciate
okay ben nirbu agalsia bait tana kompula alaji mutala alaji mutala nya la supporter tepam
very well
en ajifati bene donzi bene en ka otuzo be the unisa they still to come and go sunu mama me like Bagasia pam because most of the support ku kai pie ka ya because nem go so kam za bianta
tema agbozon nana
wala wa mi kan wa ki
Mariela bol mo yo tuzumba ya
ki fu no ton ko han te pam gotete
ay no mambal la gargoro mi ya ma no ta yang ba jayu ko pak baharma Niri andru ko sanki no bachuru
sanki ki salute
agbozon nana cha su gbe ya yes den dalma agbozon no gbe perform dance and abala
ay
ora wa damongo ora embezi pleasure burana shinti bi shanguna jama urana shin wini den chogo yulu bi jinama so den dalma niri tanan kashima chanko ni nyam nan to nun ko baduna stage thank you so much chief agbozon nana la masha somo wuran balama ya te po ya ka papam and supporter team masha
so bro the ben fans ma kan ko age like the thing about ndankanana because big kama around 10 munza kana kasina artist ma pil jumna because tin program Israel performance ma shama we perform la twice we dumna face man te perform de on ku perform on normal o de o tracks o moment tracks ma zanti fans ma and after that we love duna te perform album ma mezanti irma so like tin drawing program like that ma shama din de nin ka wadan kanana artist champion aku power performance and so we took edge fans ma and so pella ba shellan binyama kawale wala first 100 people been champion VIP ma 10 tarwala gent mot even mindra water
wumna
understand yabo
aba
so din nin kama abudan kanana na opportunity wan to nin ka misil
no yonkun yale
so dit nin ka da VIP first 100 people ma wa 10 tarwala gent mot chill one munka ada VIP ka ta wan so an kana maybe anto to kana kala opportunity ma karpin ya azo so tan non super pam no tan kana ka program ma start lan close early
very well Ibrahim dan ka man na san pa before kan na chaka tan non la special dedication you shall ni yalla dan ka man na san pa
man ko ba ko la France ma be special the from tonight quand je suis agré tata guma mama yarmaza en kapu France ma za hanan bayanga incha program ma ni ro pam tare so ko to go so kam za hanan man ja pum go shamu
very well
tiyam bay sharos ma to
sahama da gare
na wanga shitu ku bahala ndo so ko sharos ma chief mon ko nya abala yes so to ko mbula so kam hananga yenga ja alajima ma kay to abe ko no tete to ko to yime to alajima ka
of course
so donc ko biar mbala and then man ko mbala habashana ti fans ma nya madat be yar pam na bian pam ni yar ma project pam na bian kana
all right
and then la project ma mi zaha din la work because akoto me yila kari zan audio ma bahana
no
din na
the disrespect to works man
not to work pa maybe videos cut massive promo me yar kari chanve yanga so fast ma ka to kusura ban to cheka Ibrahim zero na wa yeso upon kan kon yala ni kan e wala kan kon mi nandir wala ban man pam ba mi kama Ibrahim yala mun di wala na san so wala ma mi na ba kunyala support wa kama na zal show
kap kana te support
sure chanve yanga dole nyane mbata number shashe na borno
of course all right de chanfe yelanga ya yes jakante gana na wona santi nyefe paga asabre dalenye show mama mpo yala yirit ma wona 30 Ghana cedi yes ka regular mama nyeto ni Ghana cedi ben la ka yeto awala ya guest artist ma banguna mata pon yala ye irin fancy gadam nyala ngon kan na chu lela nyala ka papi sui lela nyala ka Lord Faida lela nyala ka irin Fadlan Wishal enta passa pashini Don Ziggy enta pa irin yar ma bangalsia the only thing come born yel come I'm going to be part of the producers this particular show ma so di nan kanye underground artist beki banye B-rate artist ma from 9 to 10 ka venue ma pune, then count yourself out when you're performing 9 to 10. Within that 1 hour ma can you come and have one performer ka you punka main A artist ma pune and them 9 to 10 and them but 10 din mean yai ka bana balana until big up na to aku big up na until le show ka big up kule but performance when you get it and hal artist shabam mamman your mainstream artist ma ka venue ma pune be kan yin nakana between the hours of 11 to 12 ka bakara pune nka problem shall na abadiam show ngona mbiere pune 2 minutes nka so badiam rahim yin chal yeltama kar ku yewu artist ka badiam man ne dile adamma I may yila tuma behind some Facebook behind channel radio now ga for na part time ka tuma we need to respect the fans we need to appreciate that ka force nyal na bakana to show ka won find the time ndang yin na show ntijia ka yu lagran lan yu ka yin na jiya ka bona respect ra industry ma la musical industry ma we need to be respecting the people who spend their money in it ma so artists ma if you really want to appreciate that people are supporting you make sure that you always come to the program very early it is reasonable na kana ti jingule fans kaba na kana show na fans ma ban kana ti jingula kanyi na kana it's very disrespectful so take pang matama ka to move away from the fact that la mentality that yeah you show we try she 1 o'clock no you come early. If we can change that space, ma tibo na tetale. Jale ka artist ma ka pa kana ya or kana na 12. Ka te kana ka ya na farla mi gushal punjam. Ko kana 12. Next show be lan kana 12 because o mino ya antok palen jiya o tien kana ka gushal bi farla punjam. But if you still believing that boku dang na ka badang to bugo shirbe dang na. So let's change the particular mentality ngoma ya na something if you paga sabre dale. Okay, last words before katichang. Yila ma pakle ma tru nyama ko kolfen yelanga alaji mutalam bambi ami pungo o février dana nyela wala go logre agba bu kan delo tipel ça fait pouler so pa warga me se o so ami ni yen sham tuku mo de za chata pigi okay wala go logre face agba bu kali sang irin la li film ba ntoko zang daba na ya bulu to tichama wala go logre last words ka tichama am at the time agare ya bu okay let's go
agba ko kar pale som par kavara
Allah habiare okay
agba ko kar pale som par kavara
womana
amam wal gular
kavara
yela change
biga kavara
ay dur yelo
ye kavara
ay ngala
la kavara
ka change yele yipaga
zongale
faraji baga
zongale
mantranu bingo
mahali ambashalla ka tombin yele la bampung bango aku mina benanga la
tandani tinya ke bala cheche
nyari yogoti
chafos le tinya yer nang la bize
nyari walguye
cheka yumpa kanya yer shabla cafe
sabre selimisi
tebana tunno bazago
matia
abutum da
zan gaya amaro
be yula baka
tutama baya le kabakata ya
al amin asus mayu kubel ko tebagi
be you know yambala ansansi
na kan ma yishia
o yarbi
no bai anga ma oinya anya
okay
kotinya
kanya apanya oturu kala yambali
tibagi kama yambola
dobedu okay chala nitu sahama gar ya Ibrahimu but unku to be zanla tu hamato safi one line katichan teacher ma
mormanin talar kafin
womana
tala shel
kafinti
ababa fi
embo
yinma
kabacheki ai kafili
azonnama
kabasunci manyenye sunisa mwarnan kalale sokutoci sa'awe da manyinin be kambe ai
fila pam
karfadin tema
azasman be
antatima
akaran wayan
dilma annani Okay, Rahimu de Saya ya. Now something you feel pada asumere dale. Lala particular day ngo ba mapunyala. Ye artist ma bangalsia ya. Thank you so much. Tempu ka pangu kamza hanan katarka ba dinchen program ma. Mazungo program ya. Yung produce program mama. Ngurnya la haji mutala ya. Yendi bla na bala ma pure representing. O yala no pu yendi ni masa hanan ba yendi. Merry Christmas na to yumpale. Brunya pu ko ya na zanti yendi ma. Family ma ha. I mean immediate family ma, I mean extended family ma ha. Na to pu ka paso kama za hanan ba yendi. De ba bandi team banda represent kana to support Muhammad Bawa o damle ya Sheldon Dano weekend yo hanu ma to pu ya ka papam. Yes, and of course NF Nation na maza ha na gumana na maza ha asabre dale bang ya manki yina 7 AM den darka health work ma kan starting in zone via paga yung katichang radach internal le butu na hana hakatuno ta faba ya. All right, production team ma as usual Abigail MFA one in charge of the cameras ma ya to pu ya ka papam. Thank you so much. Shahid yala ngombe Accra MCR, we most grateful. Ahmed yala ngombe MCR yung kachaka program ma ka chanve yalanga to pu ya ka papam. And of course, Afek Kuchupuatin is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. We're most grateful. Thank you so much. Zulu Damalia, Allah Dale. I still remind you, Katara Ivana Kwang Mankate Kanaya. Marhaba. 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 Yenda dambi yesalma ka bambu hagar kobga ne dirgu changso kan nusa per banga to amani ni kunye shelkam ya san be yim ka satane kulun ko la an kobgo kun man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.